Hi, Daddy. Good afternoon. It's me. Anak mo pong si Honor Babes. Bumabati po sa'yo ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, Daddy. Bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng malakas, malusog, maayos na pangangatawan, at mahaba pa pong buhay, Daddy. Thank you po, Daddy, sa mga gabay, pangaral, sa amin bilang ama po ng SITF family. Stay in love with Mommy Señorita, and God bless you always, Daddy. Once again, happy birthdays, Daddy. Enjoy your day.